Hi everyone and welcome to Stamping Roots. I've just received my paper pumpkin kit. It just arrived at my doorstep. I am so excited to start opening it. I will create a video of me unboxing it and showing you some of the cards that come in it. The kit does come with 16 cards, so I will show you what they are and what kind of items are inside. Every month we receive a new box in the mail, and it basically surprises you as it comes. I have been going on YouTube because this is a Shelli kit. It did show a clip. It's a Hugs from Shelli for the May 2019. It does show a clip that she created on YouTube showing you one of the cards that will be in it. So it's an exclusive paper pumpkin kit that we got the opportunity to see a little bit of what was to be in it. Otherwise, every month we get a surprise in the mail. Once you open it, you're not too sure what it'll be. It could be a home decoration, cards, or something like similar. If you are interested in me unboxing it and showing you everything that's inside it, please do comment. Do remember to subscribe and like my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.